If you want to bass boost in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to make your audio sound deeper, fuller, and more powerful using CapCut's built-in voice changer tools. And I'll also show you what to do if you're using the free version, because Bass Boost is a pro feature. So whether you're editing a podcast clip, a music snippet, a voiceover, or just trying to make your audio hit harder, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is import your media into CapCut. You can drag your video or audio file straight onto the timeline, or import it through the media panel and place it where you want it in your project. Once your audio is on the timeline, click directly on the audio track so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut only shows the audio editing options when the clip is selected. Now look over to the top right side of the screen where the editing panel is located. There you'll want to click on the Voice Changer tab. This is where CapCut keeps its audio effects and filter presets. Once you're inside Voice Changer, click on Voice Filters. You should now see a list of different audio effects you can apply to your clip. Scroll through the filters until you find Bass Boost. When you see it, click it to apply the effect. Just keep in mind that Bass Boost is typically a pro feature, so if you're on a free account, you may not be able to use it directly. If that happens, don't worry, because you can still check out the other available filters and test them by listening to how they change your audio. Sometimes, another preset may give you a similar deeper sound, or at least get you close to the effect you want. After selecting Bass Boost, use the Strength slider to adjust the intensity. Sliding it up increases the low-end impact, while sliding it down makes the effect more subtle. This part is really useful because you can fine-tune the bass so it doesn't sound too muddy or overpowering. A little adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you want your voice or music to sound cleaner and more professional. Once you're happy with the sound, make sure to play back the clip and listen carefully through headphones or speakers. That way you can tell if the bass boost is actually improving the audio or if it needs a few more tweaks. And if you're using the free version of CapCut, I'd recommend testing a few of the other filters as well, since some of them may still help enhance your audio even without the Bass Boost preset. So that's how to bass boost in CapCut in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and a great way to make your audio stand out more in your videos. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next one.